Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the joy of computing using Python NPTEL Week 1 Assignment 1. For our first question, answer will be option B, that is no. Question second, answer will be option A. Question third, answer will be option D. Question fourth, from the previous question, what is the value of the number variable after the loop ends? Answer will be option B, 44. Question fifth, answer will be option C, that is 29. Question D. Which of the following is use case of the variable in the programming? Answer will be option B, that is, they help in storing and retrieval of the information data while a task on the machine is running. Question 7th. What is the concept that helps in interesting the computer to execute repetitive task? Answer will be option C, loops. Option D, loops. Question 8. Can polynomial expression be instructed to computer in logically finite steps? Yes, answer will be option A. Question 9th. Answer will be option D. Question 10th. What task does the below block accomplish? Answer will be option D. Move the ball in a parabolic path that stops 20 away steps from the center 0,0 in x direction. Thank you guys. Now we can submit our assignment. I hope this video is helpful to you.